Good morning, students. Now we are going to see about arrays and strings. Last class we are discussing about arrays. Now we are going to see strings. Introduction. You already know that what is string. A string is a sequence of characters that is treated as a single data item. We have used strings in a number of examples in the past programs. Any group of characters defined between double quotation mark is a string constant. You know that very well. For example, man is obviously made to think. Here, that man is obviously made to think, it is noted in double quotation. So we call it as it is a string. If we want to include a double quote in the string to be printed, then we may use it with a backslash as shown below. Man is obviously made to think, said Pascal. For example, in C, printf, open parenthesis, within the double quotes, backslash, well done, then exclamation mark, backslash, within the double quotes, close the parenthesis and semicolon. Will output the string, it's look like well done and exclamation mark, within the double quotes it will come. While the statement printf, open parenthesis, double quotes, if you give well done, exclamation mark, and close the double quotes and close the parenthesis and put the semicolon, the output will come like well done exclamation. This is a simple example for how we are going to declare the strings in C programming. We have character strings are often used to build meaningful and readable programs. The common operations performed on character string included in the following categories, that is reading and writing strings, combining strings together, copying one string to another, comparing strings for equality, extracting a portion of a string. These are all the functionalities it is possible to, nothing but an operation. I am saying it is a functionality, but here we noted as common operations. It is possible to do, that is read and writing of strings, combining strings together and copying one string to another, comparing strings for equality, extracting a portion of a string. Declaring and initialization of string variables. C does not support string as a data type. However, it allows us to represent string as a character arrays. In C, therefore, a string variable is any valid C variable name and is always declared as an array of character. The general form of a declaration of a string variable is character string underscore name. Within set bracket, we will give the size of the character string name. The size determines the number of characters in the string underscore name, how it will display in your program. For that, the size is here we are mentioning. Some examples are as shown in the as follows. Character CHAR space city, within square bracket I was given a 10. It means in city we will store 10 characters. That is, for example, Coimbatore. That Coimbatore string strength, how much it will occupy, that much level it will display. Char name, within square bracket 30 and semicolon. When the compiler assigns a character strings to a character array, it automatically supplies a null character. When the compiler assigns a character strings to a character array, it automatically supplies a null character at the end of the string. Therefore, the size should be equal to the maximum number of characters in the string plus 1. Declaring and initializing string variables. Like numeric arrays, character array may be initialized when they are declared. C permits a character array to be initialized in either of the following two forms.